This is my review for this Tastemaker grinder and shaker in one. As you can tell that I already put some peppercorn in there. What I did was I unscrewed this top. It unscrews. And then you put your peppercorn in there. Or no. Yeah, it unscrews. And then it lets you pull that off. And you put your peppercorn in there. And then you put this back on. Like so. Make sure it's tight. Alright. And then you... Oh, maybe I put it too tight. Alright, here we go. And you turn it. Or you could turn it over and use it as a shaker. If you can see that. All that little stuff that I just ground up is going on there. You can see all the little peppercorn right there. Alrighty.
Bye.
5 stars.
No.
Bye.